The time check, it's already 6:02 in the evening. And by the way, recording is already on progress. So allow TIS and teacher to record our session today. Teacher would like to say sorry for I haven't met the class last week. It's because teacher was busy with the school activity. So that's why I wasn't able to meet you last time. Okay. Is my voice clear? Am I clear?
Yes, teacher.
Am I loud enough?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you. Are you not opening your videos now? Or maybe my connection is very slow. That's why I cannot see any video. So I only have Catherine and Enda on my screen. So we are only 7 in class. Okay, let's wait for 2 more minutes. Okay, before I'll give a sample activity, before I'll give you a test today. Because as expected, supposedly last meeting, teacher will be giving you a test. But I wasn't able to do it, so it's today is the time that teacher will be giving you the end of month test. Okay, let's wait for 2 more minutes to settle and wait for your other classmates to join. Well, I have started sharing my screen now while waiting for the others. You may now start reading it. Okay, 1 more minute before we officially start. Oh, we are already 9 in class. That's good. Yes, shit, yeah, it's okay. Is it raining in Indonesia now, Catherine? How's the weather in your place?
It's sunny day, teacher.
It's a sunny day. Well, compared here in the Philippines, it's a rainy day. Not just a rainy day, but it's a stormy day. But as of now, the rain has stopped and hoping that it won't come back anytime soon. Okay, so 6:05 already. So what teacher will be showing to you is it's a sample activity. You will be having the same activity later on in the test. Okay, I have here a short paragraph. Then in this paragraph, you are going to identify the errors. Okay, you look at the nouns and the verbs used in the paragraph, then try to look its subject verb agreement, whether the subject agrees with the verb or whether the verb agrees with the subject. And then you're going to correct it. We are going to correct it. Okay, let's have a reading activity. Can I start with Arga? Hello.
Yes, miss.
Okay, are you not opening your camera, Arga? Well, Dr. Hari asked me to to encourage the kids to open their cameras. Okay, I can see Arga now. Okay, go Arga.
Read this
Can you,
paragraph.
yes, can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Every morning, the classroom does sweet activity. The leader lead the morning prayer and the pupils recite the pledge together. Teacher Anna check the attendance while the children distributes the art papers. Everyone work quietly and their drawing.
Okay, thank you. Can we also have Tristan to read?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Please read also. Would you like to open your camera?
Yes, teacher. Every morning, the classroom buzz with activity. The leader lead the morning prayer and the pupils recite the pledge together. Teacher Anna check the attendance while the children distributes the art papers. Everyone work quietly on their drawing.
Very good. One last. Mark, please. While Mark is reading, I want you now to check the sentences and you check on the errors. Yes, Mark.
Yes, Mr. Main.
Please. Mark, camera, please. Okay, please
Finding
read now.
every
There you
morning,
go.
the classroom buzz with activity. The leader lead the morning prayer, and the pupils recite the pledge together. Teacher Anna, check the
Please.
attendance while two children distribute the art papers. Everyone work quietly on their drawing.
Mark, I cannot hear you. Are you reading now?
Yes! Test 9.
Okay, move to the microphone because we cannot hear you. Come again, come again. Every morning.
But,
Mark.
wait! Can you hear me?
Okay, we can hear you. Go now.
Oh, okay. Every morning, the classroom buzzed with activity. The leader lead the morning prayer, and the pupils recite the pledge together. Teacher Anna, check the attendance while two children distributes the art papers. Everyone worked quietly on their drawing.
Okay, thank you for reading. Okay, so what are you going to do? In the test later on, you're going to copy everything. You're going to copy the paragraph and you're going to correct it. Okay, for example, so that it will be easy for you, you just highlight it, you control. Okay, let's start with this one. Okay, every morning the classroom buzz with activity. Do you think there is an error in this sentence?
Oh, there
Do you think?
is.
Yes, what
There
is
is.
the error?
Activity is replaced with the plural form. ACTIF. I
The classroom buzz with activities? Mm-hmm. What
yeah,
buzz or what buzzes with activity? It's the classroom. So it's the classroom that is the subject in the sentence. So that's as the subject in the sentence, we have that one buzz. The verb here is buzz.
in wait.
Classroom, singular, buzz. What is the correct form of the
Best.
verb? Okay, it will become buzzes. Okay, classroom, singular, okay? The classroom word is singular. So the classroom should be in singular form. I mean singular form. So the verb also is in singular. It is buzzes. So the classroom buzzes with activity. Okay, next sentence. Okay, that's correct. That is correct, Catherine. How about the next one? The leader lead the morning prayer. Let's cut it first here. The leader lead the morning prayer. Any error in the sentence?
Lead,
That one?
lead to be leads.
Yes. Why should it be leads, Catherine?
Because the leader is singular.
Okay, very good. So the leader, singular. It's a singular noun. So our verb should also be in singular form. So the leader leads. How about next one? The pupils recite the pledge together. Do you think there is an error in the sentence? The pupils recite the pledge together. Tristan, Jennifer, and Dara. Is there an error for that one? Pupils. Look here, pupils, singular or plural? Pupils,
Thank you.
singular or plural?
Oh, plural.
Plural. Our verb here is, what's the verb?
Uh,
Our
recite.
verb in the sentence, yes, it's recite. Does the verb agrees with the subject, with the noun? Recite, that's in singular or plural?
Recite is in plural.
Very good. Recite is in plural form. So this is just correct. The pupils recite the pledge together. Okay, this is just correct. Okay. Okay, recite plural because pupils, that's also plural. Okay, another. Here. Teacher Anna checked the attendance. Teacher Anna checked the attendance. Is there any error for that one? Or who are we talking in the sentence? Who are we talking? Enda, Deborah, Tristan, Katrina. Who are we talking in the sentence?
Teacher Anna,
Teacher Anna? Oh yeah, it's Teacher Anna. How many is Teacher Anna?
only one.
Only one. Look at the verb. What's the verb in the sentence? Teacher Anna
Check,
checked the attendance.
check. So we
Yes?
should check. So we should add s in the end
Okay, why should we add S?
because teacher Anna is singular.
Yeah, very good. Teacher Anna checks. Teacher Anna is singular. The verb should also be check. Okay, next. Two children distributes art papers. Two children distributes the art papers. Do you think there is an error for that for that
Yes,
one?
he distributes.
Yes. Okay, aside from Inda, who would like to answer? Aside from Inda, aside from Mark, and aside from Catherine. Okay? Anyone would like to answer? Arga?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Try to give me a reason. What should we do for that sentence?
The noun error is distributes
Mm-hmm. What should we do with
and
distributes? Yes, Arga.
tribute, not s.
Mm-hmm. So only distribute, right?
Yes,
Because why? Why should this be distribute in plural form? What's the subject here? It should agree with the noun.
two children.
Okay, very good. The verb distribute must agree with the noun children. Thank you, Arga. Okay, last.
Welcome, miss.
Everyone, Everyone work quietly on their drawing. Okay, I will tell you, we have one error in the sentence, and look at the verb. That's the error in the sentence. And what are we going to do that?
Works. Work to be works.
Yes? Hello?
Work at S.
Okay. Okay, for work, we're going to add S. So we say everyone works, right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so why are we going to do that one? Oh, teacher, we have the word everyone. So when you say everyone, that's many. But but take note, everyone is an indefinite pronoun. An indefinite pronoun takes the singular form of the verb. For example, everyone, everybody, anybody, somebody. Those are indefinite pronouns. And when you have that one in a sentence, you're going to use the um the singular form of the verb. Okay, so this is now okay because everyone again indefinite pronoun takes the singular form of the verb. So this is the correct paragraph now. Orlando. Oh, my voice is very soft. Orlando, hello.
Yes,
Hello.
Miss.
My voice is very soft, Orlando. You can't hear me.
Yes, Miss, I can hear you.
Okay. Can you read everything now with the correct answer, Orlando?
Okay, Miss. Every morning, the classroom buzzes with activity. The reader reads the morning prayer, and the pupils recite the pledge together. Teacher and checks. Teacher Anna checks the attendance while two teachers distributes the art paper. Everyone worked quietly on their drawing.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. I'll stop sharing now. Orlando is being pinned. How are we going to do that one? Wait. Okay. Okay, so we are now 13 in class. Let me take a photo. Okay, so that will be a part of that will be a part of the test the teacher will be giving you today. Okay, another one is that last part, um, last part of the test is teacher will be asking you to, teacher will be asking you to construct sentences. Okay, then in your sentence, you are going to Okay, in the sentence, you are going to use nouns and verbs in that one. Okay, so let's have an example. Okay, teacher will now be showing you a picture. Then I will be giving you maybe 2 minutes. I'll be giving you 2 minutes to construct a sentence about the picture shown to you. Again, your sentence must consist of nouns and verbs, and it should be written correctly. And what do we mean if I say written correctly? You should have correct spelling. Okay, you should have correct spelling, correct punctuation, capitalization. I hope you can see my screen now. It's a market scenario. Okay. You can talk about the vendors. You can talk about the people buying. You can talk about the fruits, the vegetables. You can talk about the color of the stalls. Okay, teacher will wait for 2 minutes. Then you can write your, please write your sentence in the chat box so that we will be able to see your sentence. Maybe you can say the bananas are yellow. Oh. The squash. Oh. Oh, you can say, oh, the tomatoes are big. If it's only one, the tomato is big. Very simple. You can say the girl is happy. Okay. I'll be waiting for your answers. Mark, drop down your answer. Tristan, Jennifer, Chitya, Clara, drop your sentence in the chat box. I'll be waiting for your responses. Okay, go now. Please write a sentence about the picture. Okay, we have here one answer. Okay, yes, Mark. I want you to read your sentence, Mark.
Okay, my sentence is the grandma picks an orange.
Okay, the grandma picks an orange. Your sentence is correct. Very good. You have here the grandma on this side here picking one orange. Grandma one, the verb is picks. Very good. The article an, that's correct also. When are we going to use an, Mark, if?
Be- If the sub if the subject or like the orange, the object is
Starts
singular.
with the vowel.
Oh, I mean something wrong.
Okay. Okay, here is, oh, here is Mark's answer. The grandma picks an orange. Okay, this is correct. You have it here, capital letter T because it's the beginning. Then you have the punctuation mark. You have the subject, grandma. You have the verb picks. Very, very good. Okay, thank you, Mark.
You will come.
Okay, we have here. I don't think if Shitya can answer, can open her microphone. The vendor sells pumpkins. Very good. Okay, we have another sentence. Okay, the vendor sells pumpkins. Vendor, very good, singular. That's why our verb here is also singular in form. Then you have the correct punctuation mark. Okay, thank you, Shitya. Wow. Oh, Shitya, hello.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, you're at home already.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I want you to read your sentence.
Okay, teacher.
The
The
vendor.
vendor sells pumpkins.
Yes. What's the subject, Shitya?
Vendor,
Okay, singular or plural?
singular.
Okay, it's singular. So that's why our verb, your verb is there is sells. Okay, very good. A very good example. Thank you, Shitya.
You're welcome, teacher.
Okay, I have here another sentence. This is from Inda. Inda,
Yes, teacher.
okay. I want you to read your sentence.
There are many strawberries in the basket.
Okay, and I would like to say that your sentence is correct. Okay, strawberries, that's plural, right, Inda?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, and also you use are in your sentence. Very good. Thank you, Inda.
You're welcome, teacher.
Okay. Catherine, please read your sentence.
The woman is selling fruits
Okay, why did you use is in your sentence, Catherine? Because
because
what's your,
the verb is selling.
okay, the verb is selling, and also your noun here or the subject is woman,
Woman.
right?
Teacher.
Okay, very good. Okay, Jennifer.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, it's your turn now to read your sentence.
Okay, teacher. The watermelon in the box is very big.
Okay, and I would like you to know that your sentence is correct. Same with Catherine. Watermelon, only one, so that's why you use is. Then you use the correct punctuation mark. Very good. Thank you, Jennifer.
Welcome, teacher.
Okay, Arga.
Yes, miss.
Okay, I copied your sentence and here it is now. Would you like to read it?
There are kinds of colorful fruits and vegetables at the market.
Okay. You say vegetables, not vegetables. Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Okay, come again. Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Okay, so there are kinds of colorful fruits. We can have the word there are many. Okay, huh? There are many kinds of colorful fruits and vegetables at the market. Okay, everyone. Okay, everyone, please do not forget that in writing sentences, you are going to take note of the correct punctuation mark, proper capitalization, and correct spelling. Okay, take note of that one. So allow me now. Where's my test now? Allow me now to share my screen. Am I sharing my screen again? So you have here the end of month test English grammar class. This is a new test. I have just made it. And take note, it's 30 item test. So you also have 30 minutes left to do the test. Okay, for numbers 1 to 20. 1 to 20, very easy because it's a multiple choice. You're just going to click then to click and choose the correct answer. Oh, 1 to 15 rather, 1 to 15, okay? Then for part 2, look here. Read each sentence and choose the letter or the word or phrase that has a mistake in noun or verb usage. Okay, you look at the error, then for example, the three childs played happily in the park. Mark, you're raising your hand, Mark.
I want to answer this. Number 16. The three childs play happily in the park. It's
Okay, what do you
child.
think is the error?
The error is A, which is childs, because
Okay, so
child is valid, but child's not valid.
okay, because in the sentence it makes use of three. So three, that's plural. So the correct form should be children. Okay. So number 16 is already a bonus because Mark already answered that one. So that will be 16 to 20. You choose the error in the sentence. Okay. 16 to 20. Then for part 3, okay. Catherine, please read.
Okay, teacher. Read the paragraph below. It contains verb mistakes and noun or verb usage. Find all verb errors, then rewrite the entire paragraph correctly on the lines provided. Please observe correct spelling, proper capitalization, and punctuation marks.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so I have here two paragraphs. Okay, first one is this one, 21 to 24, then 25 to 28. Each paragraph has four errors. Okay, has four errors. What you're going to do, you copy everything. Okay, copy everything, then you're going to correct the errors. Again, you copy everything, then you're going to correct the errors. Can I ask Inda to read the first paragraph? Inda?
Yes, teacher. Every morning, the children walk to school together. Mark carries a heavy backpack while his friends talk happily. At the gate, their teacher greets everyone with a warm smile.
Okay. And for the next paragraph, same with the first one. You copy everything, then correct the error. I hope this is just easy for everyone, okay? Jennifer, please read 25 to 28. Jennifer. Okay, if not Jennifer, can I have Tristan to read the next paragraph? Tristan?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Every afternoon, the pupils gather in the school garden. Ben water the green vegetables while Sarah picked the fresh tomatoes. Eh, their teacher watched them with pride as the birds sing in the trees. Together with the children learned how to care for plants.
Okay. The teacher watches. Okay, so their teacher watches.
Their teacher watches.
Okay, thank you, Tristan. So again, four errors per paragraph. You're going to rewrite it. Then last, for 29 to 30, just like with our activity a while ago, please look at the picture. Then please construct two sentences about it. Please use nouns and verbs in your sentence. You can talk about the baby, the father, the mother. Look at the chores. What are they doing? Then you're going to write it down. So I need two sentences. Okay? I'll be needing two sentences. Okay? So allow me now to share the link of the test. And I want you to open the chat box because the Google link for your test is found at the chat box. Then I'll be giving you the rest of the hour to do or to finish the test. And teacher will be waiting for your responses here. And I also encourage everybody to start opening their cameras. If you have any question, feel free to open your microphones and ask me. Have you accessed the link in the,
Yes, teacher.
okay, how about Arga? Were you able to access it?
Yes, miss.
I have sent a picture of us to Dr. Hari. Hmm. Okay, start answering now. Orlando, have you started? You start answering already?
Yes, miss. I already started the test.
Thank you, Orlando. Okay, how's everybody doing? Still answering the test? Okay, I haven't received any responses yet. Okay, please continue answering. Okay, on my end, I have now two responses. Let me check. So I have here, oh, it's from Jennifer and Tristan. Okay, by the way, teacher will need to recheck your works, okay? So the score that you're going to see is not your final score yet. Just like what we usually have, where you usually do.
Teacher, can I leave now?
Okay, yes, Jennifer.
Okay, teacher, thank you.
Thank you also.
Miss, I'm done.
Okay. Okay, I have Jennifer, Tristan, and Arga. Okay, for those who are done, you can leave the meet now. Then I'll be seeing you next week again. Okay? Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you,
I
Mr.
also
May.
have Inda's answer.
Thank you,
Thank
Mr. May.
you.
Bye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Bye
Mr.
bye.
May.
Bye bye. While the others who are not yet done, please continue answering.
Teacher, I'm leaving the Zoom. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Tristan. Yes, Orlando. Thank you, Orlando.
I'm done, teacher.
Thank you, Catherine.
Thank you, teacher. See you.
Bye bye. See you. Thank you, Catherine. Bye bye.
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 I'm done, teacher.
Shitya. Thank you, Shitya.
Thank you, teacher.
Bye bye. See you, Shitya. Thank you. Mark, Katrina, please continue answering, okay, even if our Zoom will stop in a while. Mark, Katrina, thank you. I'll be seeing you next time. Okay, thank you.
Okay.